That totally depends on your expectation. If you wanted to go to any startups, I can guide you on which kind of mediums you have to choose and how to reach out to them. If your preference is
Okay.
MNCs, I can also give you details about how much time it's going to take and what process to follow. So it totally depends on your priorities. But once you fix that, it will be easy. If you just ask me, just telling you an example, if you tell startups, and also like if you're not somebody who's very specific, like Priyanka about fintech, health tech, uh, there are many open companies like getting into Swiggy or something, which is like going crazy with the growth, team growth, or some very early stage startups like mine. So it totally depends on your priorities. If you want to learn from a bigger team, be part of the team and go take it slow and steady, go to a Series B, Series C company. But if you are a hustler, you wanted to just throw yourself in the water and try to swim, choose some companies, pre-series or Series A.
Okay. Okay.
But the growth trajectory will be very different. When you go to Series B
Yeah.
or Series C kind of a companies, uh, where you will, wherever you will be in next 3 years, uh, the same point you will reach in 2 years if you go to Series A or pre-series companies, because the intensity of how much you learn is a lot there. And also you'll
Yeah.
get exposed to a lot of things. People won't restrict you to get into anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's about
And
personal preference. I've always been with pre-series or very early stage startups. uh, it's like a drug. Once you get there, you want like slow moving things. So if you see my profile, I've been part of all the early stage companies only. All pre-series, I'll be like first 10 people who joined the company.
okay. Yeah, but they would want people only who are experienced, right? Not someone who's a fresher or something. If I'm right in saying that.
No, no, man. It totally depends. You guys know this Front Row, another new app
Yeah.
which is like coming up. So surprisingly, one of the people I mentor, she got a call from this company telling that okay, we actually welcome freshers. Yeah, she's working on an assignment right now, and I was also surprised to know that she is a HR manager in Cred. Now she's actually working on an assignment for submitting it tomorrow. So I had a session with her before getting on a call with you guys. Serious.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's not always true that some companies are going to prefer only experienced and not going to give a chance. Uh, every company is different, like every people are different. So you wouldn't know their priorities.